In this video, you see that I just got the car running, and what I'm focusing on is you see the lights dimming and brighten, and it's like constantly flickering, and the gauges on the inside drops down to 0 and then go back up. And what I found out is in a earlier video, I don't know if I mentioned it, but my alternator actually grounded out against the metal power steering tube, and it burned up the power wire, and it caught on fire, and I was able to put the fire out. And I've been having these issues ever since that happened. So what happened is, I think when it grounded out like that, it burned up my diode in my alternator. So I'm gonna either buy a new alternator or take the diode out of the alternator that I cracked. I'm going to see if I still have the alternator that I cracked and see if I can take the diode out of that and put it in there. So that's what I was showing in this video. And there's another issue that I have also with the power steering. Power steering is really, really hard. Sometimes it gets easy, then it gets back hard again. And I'm thinking that the pump is messed up. I'm not 100% sure, but I kind of think the pump is messed up. I have the old pump that I took off. I just have to pull the pulley off and put this pulley on. So I might either do that or buy another pump. It just depends. I think I'm gonna try to use what I had first before I buy another pump, because the pump and the alternator actually are pretty expensive. But I'll buy it if I had to. I just don't want to waste any unnecessary money. So that's what I'm showing in this video. You see the car is running good other than the lights flickering. So on the way taking the GTO to the paint shop, just trying to see if you can see the alignment is off. It's off pretty bad, so I'm gonna have to get the alignment done. So well, you can probably see it going around the curve now. You can see it better when you go around the curve. But yeah, going to get it painted. Another awesome job. Just got my wheels painted, and the guy did an awesome job like usual. So I'm not going to show the whole thing until I can put them on the car. Alright, I'm on my way to pick up the GTO. The car's been sitting up there for almost 2 months, and he hasn't done anything with it. So I'm going to pick it up and take it to someone else. I don't have time to sit around and wait the whole time for this guy. So I'm just gonna go pick up the car and take it to the same guy that painted my truck. So, and I know he can knock it out a lot faster. So, and that's the plans right now. So I'll record again once I get it on once I get up there to pick up the car. Just picked it up from the paint shop. He sanded it down, but he didn't paint it. Taking the goat to get painted. Right, good. Steering wheel crooked, gotta get it aligned. I think I mentioned that in my other video. But on my way there. Alright, I just sprayed some water on the GTO to get the pollen off, but just want to give you a runaround of how it looks. Paint came out pretty good. still got to get it detailed, get the windows clean. There's some overspray on the windows and on the molding along the windows, but other than that, came out pretty good. So still got some little stuff I need to do, like I got to paint these black in a 6.0. Got to paint that black. So, and of course I got to get the rear cradle lined. So it's a work in progress. The major part of it is done, so that's why I would say the project is complete right now. So, alrighty.